Alright, you guys, we're getting ready to go home on a cold Tuesday morning.
Alright, y'all ready? Here we go.
Hey.
Slappy dog.
And I'm gonna sing a song for you.
It's Slappy
Show
dog.
you a thing or two. You have fun now with me and all the gang, learning from each other while we do our thing.
November the 9th, out here in Clinton, Tennessee. I have pulled out my Gotland battery-powered gloves. Let's see if they're working. I have got my California heated vest on, and it is battery powered, not tethered to the bike. So that's what that's all about. Leathered up. I can already feel it. I've got my heated socks on, my battery powered socks, big boy vest, all the things to keep you warm. My phone says it's 34 degrees outside, and I do believe it. I got my snowmobile pants on. They are insulated plus waterproof. I've only got 2 pairs of pants. I've got the long johns. Maybe that'll help you. I got the long johns from Cycle Gear. The freeze out, they call them. I have the insulated waterproof snowmobile pants. That's all the layers that I have on my legs, and I think that's going to be more than enough. Like I said, I do have my battery powered socks on, and I had to come up out of that garage because it was feeling a little, I was starting to sweating. And you know, when you start sweating, then you come out here, then you're in trouble. Then you're in trouble. I'm about 45 miles to the house. But I believe this battery stuff lasts on high about 8 hours. 6 to 8 hours, depending on how you use it. Yeah, I'm telling you, it's 34 degrees, and I'm feeling pretty damn good right now. I hadn't got up to no interstate temperatures. I've got a thin bear collar on. I think that I will put the big boy bear collar on. I had charged these batteries up. On before the Key West trip, thinking if I come home, I might run into some cold weather. But this is on high. I may have to take it down. That's medium. Then that's low. I think we're gonna put it on, leave it on high. Do the same thing with the push button. We're gonna leave it on high for now. I don't have my heated grips on. I really don't need them with this, but we're headed home in 34-degree weather. The people at the job are looking at me like I'm cray-cray. Are you cray-cray? Well, the answer to that question is yes, I am. Yes, I am crazy. But people that ride motorcycles, for real, I ain't talking about just got a bike, but they ride them when they commute. Well, let me back it up. You do what you want to your bike, however you want to do it. This is what I do to mine. So, I'm not knocking nobody. I like to ride my bike to work every chance that I get. Now, this time of the year, if it's got to be almost a zero chance of rain. I'm not trying to get wet, then cold, then I'm sick. But this kind of weather right here, I don't mind putting this stuff on. I'm about an hour away, maybe a little less than an hour this time of the morning. About 4:19 in the morning. I shouldn't have a whole lot of hindrance with traffic and everything. So, man, shoot. This is what it's all about for me. And this bike makes me money, you know. I went to work on this bad boy, so I bought the gear. I bought all this cold weather gear. What the hell you buying for if you ain't gonna use it? Huh? What did you buy all this gear for and not gonna use it? Now, I do have some rain gear, and I hope I never have to use that, but I got it. You know, that's one of them things. You got it, hope you don't have to use it, but you sure enough got it. You are prepared. One thing about these socks, when you get them heated socks, the heated socks are so thick, you got to make sure you got room inside of your boot that can take it. If you ain't got no room inside of your boot, now your feet are in trouble. Now your feet are in trouble. Matter of fact, I got my old boots on. The new boots that I got have not stretched out to where I actually need them to be. I got a shoehorn in them, but they're not where I would like for them to be. So I got my heated vest on from California heat. I put another layer on. I don't really think that I needed that, but it's on anyway. I did not put my heat out, my freeze out jacket. I just got my leather, you know, my undershirt, my shirt, then my heated vest, and a sweatshirt over the top of that. This is the ride home. It's a little foggy. Let's see what the bike say. The bike might have warmed up. The bike say 41 degrees, but that's because it was inside that building. The phone says 30.